Did you know a tiny seed could pack more muscle-building protein than an egg? For privacy reasons, I'll call our story's hero Mary, a vibrant 68-year-old who loved gardening, but recently struggled to kneel or carry her watering can. Her legs felt shaky, her energy drained, and she feared losing the freedom to tend her roses. Today, I'll reveal 3 powerhouse seeds that fight sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, faster than you think, backed by science, with simple recipes to keep you strong. Type 1 in the comments if you're ready to reclaim your strength. Hit subscribe to join our quality senior living community. Let's talk about Mary. She noticed her legs weakening over months. Simple tasks like climbing stairs or getting out of bed felt like climbing a mountain. She worried about falling, losing her independence, or even needing a caregiver. Sarcopenia sneaks up after 60, silently stealing muscle mass. Studies show we lose 3 to 5% of muscle per decade unless we act. But Mary turned it around, and you can too, with 3 seeds that deliver protein, fight inflammation, and boost energy. First, let's dive into chia seeds, the tiny black powerhouses that outmuscle eggs. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, about 28 grams, deliver 10 grams of complete protein, matching or beating a large egg's 6 to 7 grams. A 2023 study in the Journal of Nutrition found chia's amino acids repair muscle fibers, crucial for seniors fighting sarcopenia. Plus, chia's omega-3s reduce joint inflammation, easing morning stiffness. Its fiber steadies blood sugar, preventing energy crashes that leave you sluggish. Here's how Mary uses chia seeds. Every morning, she mixes 2 tablespoons into a glass of almond milk with a sliced banana. Let it sit for 10 minutes to form a gel-like pudding, no cooking needed. She adds a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor and blood sugar control. This breakfast keeps her full, energizes her for gardening, and feeds her muscles. You can also toss chia into yogurt or blend it into a smoothie with spinach and berries. Start with 1 tablespoon if you're new to it to avoid digestive discomfort. Why does this work? Chia's protein rebuilds muscle fibers broken down by daily wear. Its calcium, 200 milligrams per serving, strengthens bones, reducing fracture risk. Mary noticed her knees felt less creaky after 2 weeks, and she could kneel to plant tulips without pain. Comment 1 below if you'll try chia seeds this week. Your muscles deserve the simple boost to keep you moving freely. Next, let's explore pumpkin seeds, a crunchy, nutty seed that's a protein and magnesium gold mine. 1 ounce, about a handful, packs 10 grams of protein and 160 milligrams of magnesium, which a 2022 study in Nutrients linked to better muscle function in seniors. Magnesium relaxes muscles, preventing cramps that wake you at night. Pumpkin seeds also have zinc, boosting immunity and helping muscles recover after light walks or chores. Mary sprinkles roasted pumpkin seeds on her lunch salad. Think spinach, grilled chicken, and olive oil. To roast, toss seeds with a teaspoon of olive oil and a pinch of sea salt, then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. The crunch adds joy to her meals, and the nutrients keep her legs steady for afternoon walks. You can also blend pumpkin seeds into a pesto with basil and garlic for a protein-packed pasta sauce. Try it and comment too if you're excited to add pumpkin seeds to your plate. Why is this a game changer? Sarcopenia weakens muscles, but pumpkin seeds' protein and zinc rebuild them, while magnesium ensures smooth muscle contractions. Mary used to struggle with leg cramps at night, but after adding pumpkin seeds, she sleeps better and walks farther. Her confidence grew, knowing she could keep up with her grandkids at the park. Your turn. Add a handful to your diet and feel the difference.
Now, let's talk about flax seeds, golden or brown gems that fight sarcopenia and boost heart health. 1 ounce of ground flax seeds offers 8 grams of protein and 2.5 grams of omega-3s, which a 2024 study in Geriatrics Today showed reduces muscle inflammation and improves strength. Flax seeds' lignans also lower cholesterol, vital for seniors with heart concerns. Their fiber promotes digestion, preventing bloating that can sap energy. Mary adds 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds to her evening smoothie. Blend it with Greek yogurt, a pear, and a dash of vanilla. Grinding is key as whole seeds pass through undigested. You can also sprinkle ground flax seeds on oatmeal or mix into muffin batter for a nutty flavor. Start small, half a tablespoon daily to let your stomach adjust. Mary's energy soared, and she could carry groceries without feeling winded. Comment 3 if flax seeds are your next try. Here's the science. Flax seeds omega-3s improve blood flow to muscles, delivering oxygen for better endurance. Their protein repairs microtears in muscle fibers, while lignins protect your heart, reducing strain during activity. Mary felt her stamina return. She could walk her dog for 20 minutes without stopping. These tiny seeds are your secret weapon for stronger legs and a healthier heart. Let's pause for Mary's story. A year ago, she faced a scary moment. She slipped while carrying laundry, barely catching herself on the railing. Her doctor warned that sarcopenia was weakening her muscles, raising her fall risk. If she didn't act, she could lose her ability to live alone. That was her conflict, the fear of losing her home and freedom. Mary refused to give up. She started small, adding chia seeds to breakfast, pumpkin seeds to lunch, and flax seeds to dinner. Each step built her strength like bricks in a fortress. Her turning point came at a family picnic. Months ago, she'd sit on the sidelines, too tired to join games. But after 3 months of eating these seeds, she chased her grandkids across the grass, laughing, her legs steady. That was her climax, the moment she realized her body was fighting back. The resolution? Mary's now gardening daily, walking longer, and living independently. Her story proves small changes can rebuild your strength. Want to know a secret Mary learned? These seeds aren't just about protein. They're packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a hidden cause of muscle loss. A 2023 study in Aging Research Reviews found antioxidants like those in chia, pumpkin, and flax seeds protect muscle cells from damage, keeping them flexible and strong. Mix them with other nutrient-rich foods, like berries or leafy greens, for a powerhouse meal that fuels your body. Here's a new habit Mary adopted, a muscle-boosting bowl for lunch. Combine half a cup of cooked quinoa, a handful of spinach, roasted pumpkin seeds, and a drizzle of olive oil. Add a sliced boiled egg for extra protein. This bowl delivers 15 grams of protein, plus fiber and healthy fats to keep you full and strong. Make it twice a week. It takes 10 minutes. Comment your age and one health concern you want me to cover next, and I'll create a video just for you. Let's address a common worry, digestion. Many seniors fear seeds cause bloating. Here's the fix. Start with small portions, like 1 teaspoon of each seed daily, and drink plenty of water. Soak chia seeds before eating to make them gentler on your stomach. Mary had sensitive digestion, but this approach worked. After a month, her bloating vanished and she felt lighter. These seeds are easier to digest than heavy meats, making them perfect for seniors.
Another concern is cost. You might think eating healthy is expensive, but these seeds are budget-friendly. A pound of chia seeds costs about $5 and lasts a month. Pumpkin and flax seeds are even cheaper at bulk stores. Mary buys in small batches to keep them fresh, storing them in airtight jars. You don't need fancy supplements, just these affordable seeds to fight sarcopenia and stay strong. Let's talk movement to pair with these seeds. Sarcopenia isn't just about diet. Light exercise amplifies results. Mary does a 10-minute chair exercise daily. Leg lifts while seated, holding a water bottle for resistance. Lift each leg 10 times, 3 sets to strengthen thighs. Combine this with your seed-packed meals and you're building muscle faster. A 2024 study in the Journal of Gerontology found this combo cuts sarcopenia risk by 30%. Try it and comment 4 if you'll add chair exercises. Mary's journey wasn't easy. She doubted herself at first, wondering if she was too old to change. But each seed, each small step proved her wrong. Her legs grew stronger, her energy returned, and she felt 10 years younger. She's not special, you can do this too. These seeds are your tools to fight sarcopenia, prevent falls, and live independently. Don't let age steal your freedom. Type 5 in the comments if you believe you can rebuild your strength. Here's a final tip. Consistency is key. Mary didn't transform overnight. She committed to one seed-based meal daily, paired with light exercise. After 6 weeks, she climbed stairs without gripping the railing. Her doctor was amazed. Her muscle mass improved and her fall risk dropped. You can start today. Pick one seed, chia, pumpkin, or flax, and add it to one meal. Build from there. Your body's waiting to fight back. Now, let's wrap up with a shocking truth. Ignoring sarcopenia could lead to a 50% higher risk of hospitalization by age 70, per a 2023 study in clinical geriatrics. But here's the flip side. Adding these seeds and light exercise can cut that risk and keep you independent. Mary's story shows it's possible. She went from fearing falls to chasing grandkids. You can too. Here's your action plan. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to breakfast. Try a pudding with almond milk and fruit. Sprinkle roasted pumpkin seeds on lunch salads for protein and crunch. Blend ground flax seeds into an evening smoothie for heart and muscle health. Do 10-minute chair leg lifts daily to boost muscle strength. If you keep skipping protein and exercise, sarcopenia could rob your independence, leaving you reliant on others. But with these seeds and small steps, you'll walk stronger, live freer, and enjoy every moment. Hit like if this inspired you, share with a friend who needs this, and subscribe to Quality Senior Living for more tips. Comment 6 and share one thing you learned today. I read every comment. As an expert in senior wellness, I've seen countless people like Mary transform their lives. The shocking truth? Your body never stops fighting for you. It just needs the right fuel. Thank you for joining me today. Watch my next video for more ways to stay strong and independent. Let's keep moving forward together.